Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this is the Falinlve Samsung Galaxy S21 case with 4-corner bumper proof protection and a kickstand, all right? It's clear back and it's got some TPU sides. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It is the 4-corner bumper proof protection. Got a kickstand right there, you can see that. Here's some other pictures right there. It fits the S21 Ultra. Charging, it's gonna work. Got a kickstand right there and fits like a glove. All right, $14.39. You got a coupon for 15%. That's $260. All right, so you save a little money there. I want to check this out. It looks like a nice case, and got the kickstand, so I want to check that out. All right, not too many cases make good kickstands, so we'll see. And I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in. Got a little bit of information on the box. 100% protective. This is a new case, military grade protection. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out. See what's inside. All right, so you get the case right here, and you got a little. You can become a super member if you scan that. I'm not sure we need to do that. All right, so let's pull this out. A little foam inside, get to the side right there. All right, so here's the case. Now, I like the way the case feels. It's got a matte side. You got a power button right there, bottom down rocker. You got some grip right here with this little edge here, but it's got a little detail there. It's kind of like shiny inserts in that right there. And you got your opening for your cutouts right there for your ports and your mic and your speaker. And no branding, but you got your mic opening right there. And no lanyard open or anything, but the case got a nice little detail. You can see on the corner, you got a little shiny area right there. And same thing up top. And the camera is protected, so it's raised up right there. That's gonna be fine. And this is a clear back, and it's got some grip. A little sticky, that's good. And here's the kickstand right here. You got the branding right there. And let's see how this feels. And it is metal, and it feels good. It's got a nice little spring in it, all right? So that feels pretty good. You'll be able to watch, movies or whatever, and I think you can stand it this way as well, so that works that way too. So we'll see how it works when the phone comes in, but this looks pretty nice. Nice little dark chrome right there. All right, so I like that. So I hope this fits nicely, all right, because I might be using this quite a bit if it does. All right, let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, so here's the Galaxy S21 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside, see how it fits. All right, nice fit, not bad, and it's not bulky or anything. Nice kind of square, not too square, but it's got a flat side there, so you can see that. And it fits pretty good, I think. So you got the lip raises up a little bit, so you're gonna have some protection there. Let's put the, let's see if it's paper slides underneath that. That's the way to test this out. If we can slide some paper underneath. No, it's touching the surface. That lip doesn't really help, so you got to be careful with this. You see that? This doesn't slide underneath. So now maybe because this table has a cloth on it, could be, but that's not enough lip to slide that paper underneath. All right, so you got to be careful with that. Now on a really flat surface, it might give you some protection there, but I wouldn't be too sure about that. All right. Now the camera on the back right there, that's a little flush as well, so that's the one thing I'm a little concerned about there, is that this camera is flushed as well, but this does slide over with no problem. It's not hitting the camera or anything like that, so it's barely covering the camera, so that's a little iffy there, but you can see through the back right there. All the ports line up, you see that? Everything lines up there. And the mic's a whole lines up as well on top. And the power button works, no problem there. Let's see how this kickstand works with the device inside. All right, so there's the kickstand right there. A little bit not level there, so but it works. And then you can stand it up as well. Okay. Let's see if you can put it this way. It doesn't work the opposite way. It won't hold up right there. Okay. But it's not a bad case. Let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. so it picks up wireless charge, no problem. Let's see what happens when we stand it up. So wireless charge came on as well. Let's see what happens when we lay it down. All right, so it picked up wireless charge there as well. So wireless charge worked pretty good with this. Okay, so that was a quick look at a clear kickstand case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, it's not a bad case. I do have a little bit of concerns about the front protection and the camera protection as well, but it's not the worst I've seen. But I like the way the case feels. It feels good in the hand, it looks nice, and it's got a kickstand, right? Now, if you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.